Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix any audio issues, sound issues with Assassin's Creed Shadows. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just simply make your way over to the search bar in the bottom left and go ahead and just type in control panel. Now once the control panel is open, you can make your way over to hardware and sound. From hardware and sound, select sound, and then from sound click on whatever your speakers or your headphones are. For me, it's my headphones. I'm going to right click on it, hit properties. From properties, make your way over to enhancements, and then go ahead and check disable all enhancements and go ahead and hit apply, and then go ahead and hit OK. Now once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and launch Assassin's Creed Shadows and the error code should be fixed. Some other methods you guys can try doing is simply restarting your PC. And another thing you guys can do is if you're using headphones, what you can do is simply unplug the headphones from your PC or whatever you have it connected on and then plug it back in, because that does help fix the issue as well. And you can always make sure that in-game settings, make sure you have the right speaker / headphone selected. And that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.